Hey guys, so today I will show you the basic settings, the few things you how to switch on or switch off if you want to start trading meme coins right here on BullX. BullX is invite-only platform. The invite link is in the description and in the comment section. All the pros are using it. For example, if you are going to call scan, here you can see all the best meme coin traders. And if you are looking at leaderboard, here you can see people are making $45,000 daily. I mean, today this one made 10,000, 17,000, 36,000. So there are still money in meme coins. And if you are looking at the top gainers and losers today, you can see Daddy Tate, that Andrew Tate's meme coin is going up by 53%, which is insane. We have Stunks, we have Wine going up, Y, Fart Boy. So basically, meme coins are still alive. Solana meme coins, especially here you can see Nero, Popcat. These are 90% Solana meme coins. That's why I'm telling you, don't fade this space. Meme coins are still alive and they will be probably alive for the next 100 years. That's why there is a high chance that you can find 10x, 100x, even more than that in meme coins. And I want to explain you what filters, what settings you want to push here, set here, so you can actually start doing something and learning. So what you want to do is go on here, filter. Here you will see a tab on your right. So the first thing you want to do is this, with at least one social. So you want these meme coins to have at least one social media. So everything that is showing you here between graduated, about to graduate, new creations. So what this means is that these about to graduate will be listed on Radium, and I think they need around $79,000 in market cap. That's when they are graduated, and here you will see all the graduated coins. And let's get back to the filters. So for each of these coins, what you want to do is, again, with at least one social media, they're holding, so developer, you want to be holding not more than 15 to 20%. So 20% is okay, because if the coin drops by 20%, it still has a chance to go back. If coin goes to 50%, people are usually panicking and it can go to zero so much faster. So these basically are the two main things you will want to check for all of these graduated, about to graduate, and new creations. That's the most important part. Now, if you are looking at these new creations or about to graduate, you want to buy tokens that have social media, that have website. For example, this one has only pump fund, so you don't want to touch this, in my opinion. This video is not a financial advice. That's what I'm doing myself. And yeah, these are basically the basic settings I want to show you, because many people don't understand what this is all about. And I will actually make a full video on the filters you want to set with basically everything field. So you want to avoid the biggest rugs, the potential dumps, and you want to make money. And again, this BullX platform is invite only, so invite link is in the description and in the comment section. Why I'm using this application, this platform, is because they have a wallet tracker, so you can track, for example, Capsi, the biggest meme coin trader, the most profitable meme coin trader. So he basically made how much? Zero in the last hour, 32,000 in the last 24 hours, while Bitcoin and crypto had a biggest dump in the last few months. So you can still make thousands of dollars. So imagine if you learn the basics and you make $100 to $500 a day. That's a big money for 99% of the people. You don't have to make 32,000 a day. You can just make 500, 100, 200. That's why I will be making a separate video on full filters, full settings about on BullX platform, and you will be able to get the best projects. And of course, you have always how to do your own research. Another thing I like this platform is because they have a Twitter tracker. Soon you will be able to follow specific accounts, and you will be able to track tweets in seconds. You will not have to scroll on X and just stumble upon meme coins that are already 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes in, so you're basically late. Here you will be able to see who is posting by seconds, and you are basically on the same platform or copying the contract address, pasting it here and buying. Now, if you want to find meme coins on Twitter or on social media, for example, how you can effectively find meme coins on X, on Twitter, is go on premium. You will need a premium, so that's around $9 a month. You go to X Pro. Now, why this X Pro is much better than just scrolling and stumbling upon meme coins like when they are released 10 minutes or 20 minutes ago? Because you're losing 10 to 20 minutes, which is a big time in this space. Now, X Pro is much better because here you can see you can create your own lists. You can create lists for, doesn't matter which account or multiple accounts. For example, I have a list for Dave Portnoy, for Kanye West, for Joe Rogan, for Ronaldinho. Now, why I created these lists is because all of these have supposed to be creating their own meme coins. Dave Portnoy is creating almost every week. Kanye West was teasing a meme coin, that's why there is a high chance he will sooner or later post a contract address right here. And the best part is that this is updating automatically. You don't have to refresh or scroll. You just, for example, you have two monitors. You put this screen on another monitor, and for another, you are just scrolling and doing your internet things. And if something pops on, you will see it automatically. And here you can see Ronaldinho. He's talking about CZ, Binance, smart coins, dumb coins. That's why, again, really great tool. And if you want to start trading on BullX, this is really easy. For example, you want to send some money, some Solana on BullX. So first of all, the invite link on BullX is in my description and in the comment section, because this is invite only. You go to wallet manager. Here you will manage your wallets, and you will have a 0 right here for your total balance. You will have to add funds. So add funds, here is your Solana wallet address. This right here, you copy it, and you basically have to send funds from Phantom Wallet or Coinbase or Binance, wherever is some Solana for you, where you are holding some Solana. If you don't have Solana, buy it on centralized exchanges. And you basically send it to this address that you will have, and you will be able to start buying some meme coins. Doesn't matter where you find them. Now, how you can effectively buy meme coins and why this tool is why I am using it mostly is, for example, let's go to search. Trump coin, for example, Trump coins comes out. There are hundreds of thousands of people buying. Now, the best part is that first of all, I will show you how you can just buy coins. So here you have I have 0.04 Solana. How much you want to buy? 0.02, and you will be able to buy. Now, when something like this happens, like Trump coin gets released or Melania coin, there will be hundreds of thousands of people buying, and what you want to do is go right here. Here you will set your gas priority fees. Why this is important is because when you're using wallet, Phantom Wallet or Coinbase or Binance Exchange, you cannot set these gas fees, which means that if there are 100,000 people, 10,000 people buying, there is a high chance that with Phantom Wallet, it will get delayed, it will fail transactions because the Solana will be so congested. And the other thing, even if the Solana is not congested, with Phantom Wallet you have to sign transactions for approval and for swap, and it takes time, it takes seconds, it takes minutes. With BullX you can set your gas fees right here. For example, if the basic gas fee for Phantom is, for example, this, in BullX you can set it much higher, so you will be in front of 99.9% of people. And imagine if 100,000 people want to buy and you are the first one that buys, they will buy after you, so they are pumping the price, and you will it will be much easier for you to get big gains in crypto. Even if crypto right now is quite stagnant or dumping, You want to learn this because one day there will be a true euphoria, I think in 2025, that's my opinion. And you want to be on BullX, you want to set your own gas fees, even set higher bribes if these huge meme coins get dropped. So you are basically able to buy first. And that's basically why I am using this platform myself, because you can set your own gas fees. You can track wallets, you can track tweets, and you are earning airdrop. And soon you will be able to track specific accounts right here, not just all crypto Twitter. And yeah, that's basically what I'm using this application. And I will basically post a detailed video about all the filters if you're searching coins right here, because there are still many opportunities right here. You just have to understand what are these insider wallets, snipers, how many snipers, how many insiders, how much developers holding. You have to understand these things to start using, and I will explain. I will drop a full tutorial. So if you want to see that, follow my YouTube. I will try to release it tomorrow or maybe in 2 days. And yeah, that's basically it. If you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press that notification bell so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.